I'm saying. So she's like, either we trust him, or we say that he is there. He and Abe are trying to sabotage you. तो मैंने बोला कि मतलब but someone should have someone. I should be. And she's like, then you tell me your side of the story. So she's like, the difference is we have appointed him, we have trusted him, and that's why we just trusted him. So I said, there's definitely, I don't know whether you call it sabotaging. I hope no one's here to sabotage the other one. But it has been a version of something that suits their personal circumstance. It's right that I did not attend the meeting, but there was background to it. It is, and I told her, you lead something till the end, and then someone says, but I will represent your work. Then you're like, do you even need me? Right? Then you step away. And it's not efficient for everyone to be doing the same thing anyway. But I wasn't able to, like, be very confident and clear, just I should have been with her, because she's been super open with me, right? So I was not even clear with what I need from her. मैंने बोला that I hope this process is fair. ये मतलब वो मुझे बोल रही कल सुबह हमारी डिस्कशन है. मैं उसे बोलूँ अब तुम मेरी स्पॉन्सर बन सकती हो. तो मैंने बोला कि मैंने उसे बोला if you can motivate this process to be fair and factual, since you will be in the room, I feel like no one has my back in this, because usually it's your own boss who has your back, and in this case I feel like this whole thing with my boss is in conflict, and I actually don't know how to resolve it. I started that I'm finding it very difficult to deal with Dave. So Gary, is it since the time Pranay's left? And I was like, no, it's since the time that whole thing happened actually started. It was started by Pranay. So मुझे ये सब भी बोलना चाहिए था कि एक जने के एक इंस्टेंस के फीडबैक से क्या होता है. जब मैं इतने साल से यहाँ काम कर रही हूँ और एक फीडबैक पे तुम मेरे पे HR इशू कर दोगे. लेकिन मैंने लीकिंग को भी कोई बातें बोली है. फॉर एक्सेल ये बात इतनी बड़ी बात नहीं है. उसने बस मुझे ये बोला था कि यू शुड बी वेरी केयरफुल इन व्हाट यू राइट डाउन ऑन टीम्स. तो मुझे लगता है उसने टीम्स ही दिखाया, एंड ऑन ईमेल उसने लिखा. बट बेसिकली जो मैंने ईमेल लिखी थी ना इन्हें, उनको इससे कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. उनको प्रॉब्लम किसी चीज से भी नहीं होती अगर मैंने उस ईमेल में प्रणयन को सीसी ना किया, लूप इन ना किया होता. प्रणयन took it so personally, and he thought I will raise some issue or whatever. He was insecure. He started to proactively get me out of the equation, and I think he has done something about someone else in the team speak about me as well. Someone, maybe Mike, because बोला उसने मुझे शवान ने that Pranay goes meets everyone, so does Dave. So it's also about how this whole thing has panned out for everyone's from everyone's perspective, right? What influence have you had on that? Like, how is everyone seeing this unfold? I think everyone's seeing this unfold as I don't agree. I rebel against a situation. It is true that I did not agree. But in reality, this has been going on for working 2.5 years, and people sitting in Singapore have not cared. And I told Lee Keng about it. I was like, people in Singapore have no idea what's happening in Hong Kong. People in Hong Kong have no idea what's happening in Singapore. I don't know how you're perceiving us, so anyone who has access to you can tell you anything, and then you'll believe it. So it's all about having that access then. So she's like, Pooja, Dave may not stand up for you. So she's like, so to my feedback providers, I hope that they have said the right thing. And I said, it's provided me visibility into my feedback. Right? So yeah, I hope it's the right thing. And then she said, you know, a big discussion at Expo is also choice of feedback providers. Some feedback providers सारी positive चीजें बोलते हैं, so they never think critically about you enough to give sensible, balanced feedback. So I hope you've chosen people correctly and they're not just the ones who just give good feedback. मैंने बोला ऐसे नहीं है, people have highlighted some, but मेरा largely great feedback है. So she asked me किस से लिया. मैंने सारे feedback providers मैंने agree किए थे एक के साथ. पहला market है, peers है, peer में मैंने Carling से लिया है. उसके बाद टॉम से लिया मैंने, जो मेरे साथ वर्कस्ट्रीम पे काम कर रहा था. और उसके बाद मैंने या वही मतलब हर एक प्रोजेक्ट के हिसाब से लिया मैंने फीडबैक. तो बट दे मे डिसरिगार्ड अ लॉट ऑफ फीडबैक बिकॉज मेरे को सिर्फ एक ही मार्केट ने फीडबैक दिया. हाँ, तो मैंने उसे ये भी बोल दिया दैट my request to you is to motivate for a fair and factual process and things not to be based around a certain instance. Even if we have to accept that anyone's version of this is correct, we should take everything with a pinch of salt. One instance should not define my whole being in this organization. बट मैं बहुत ही ना जैसे परेशान और वो बिल्कुल नो कॉन्फिडेंस साउंड कर रही थी अपने आप को. ठीक है, एनीवे कल हो जाएगा जो भी हो जाएगा. मेरा रिकॉर्ड खराब करने के आए थे. कभी मुझे आना होगा, कोई देखेगा रिकॉर्ड, उससे देख ले, उससे ना देखे. मैं तो बस अब ये सोचूं कि जो भी करे मेरे अप्रेजल का. मैंने काफी बात कर ली कई लोगों से. It's gonna happen. If only Dave is going to have his way, Dave is going to have his way. And if they have this, everyone says they have this boys club, and if Abe is also going to turn into an asshole, everyone's going to turn into an asshole, then चलो मैं जाती हूँ. ठीक है.
Okay, we're here.
Thank you.
Yeah, welcome. Yes.
Ah, no. Hang on.
Thank you. Okay. 好，54蚊啊，宏都。我交個水費先啊。